Hello YouTube, my name is Dennis and today I'm going to show you how to create business receipt database using Microsoft Access. So let's just go into Microsoft Access and I'm going to demonstrate what I'm going to build today so that you can have a full idea before we get started. Continue. I have here the database built already, but we're going to look at how it works. Then we're going to build one together. Okay. So as you can see, this is my receipt ID and this is the date. This is the product, quantity, price, product two, So it's going to basically it's a receipt, is a proof of purchase or a record showing that something has been bought or a service has been provided. So we're going to build an interface that can, collect, store, manipulate all these records for us so that we can go into this record and see how much we have made and stuff, do some analytics. So let's go back to the PowerPoint and see. Now that will lead to the question, what is a receipt? And basically, a receipt records recalls the sale of goods or provision of a service. So when I sell something, I am recording, documenting it using a receipt. Also, when I'm providing the services to somebody, I also document using a receipt telling me how much uh, I paid or the person paid for the service or the product. So let's go here and see. We and I have the component or parts of a receipt, and basically, if you the only thing that will make something or somebody issue a receipt is a company, and the company worker issues a receipt, and you have to have products and services, and you have to have customers. Then it all goes to your company's financial reports, which is the output of all these things that you do. So let's go here and see. So receipt function or formats. We have that's the process of how it functions. You have the input, which is a cell. You have to get a cell, which is a form. We will talk about it, and you manipulate the cell, give a discount or sales tax, then it pops up a report known as receipt. Okay, this is the process, guys. Now let's jump to Microsoft Access and see what we're going to be talking about graphically or whatever you name it. So here we are. This is a form, the input of our cell. Now let's issue a new uh, receipt and see how it works. So this is our new page, um, and I'm going to issue a receipt for today, and you see the number changes. This is the receipt ID. It keeps increasing. Whenever I issue the next receipt, it's going to be the sixth receipt that I have issued. And maybe I sold this Sony camera right here. I sold two of them, and I don't know the price, so I'll go to my products list and see the price is 250, and so the total price is 262 $262.5. Let's go to my database, my form, and what is it? 262.5. Now I don't have no second item that I'm selling to 0 and none here too. So the total, the subtotal come to 525. This is how much two of this Sony camera cost, and I'm charging 5%. Oh, the government sales tax is 5%. So this person owes me $551.25, and he gave me $600. And this is the change I have to give it to the customer. This is how it goes, guys. This is the system. You have to have a customer before you issue this receipt. So this is what we're going to be building, and it's all right here. I have my customer table, my employee, my employer, my services that I provide, and I issue a receipt to all these services, and I can track all these receipts by their sum. See, I have, if this were all today, I have made this sale. Today's sales is $865. That's the price, and this is how much I have received. This is before taxes and after taxes. This is before taxes and after taxes. Okay, it makes so sense. Now that we know certain things about the receipt, let's go on and create a new database that we can use. So we go to the file, new, blank, and go to name receipt. Do you want to know? No. Now we are in the blank page. Go to the, oh, sorry guys, I need to open my my thing again, my Microsoft Access again. Okay, new, blank, and I will save it my, no, I'll open a new folder of my, this. I'll open a new folder here. Let's see. See, and this receipt. Now we are here in the blank table. In the blank table, go ahead and click the view. And now we want to keep our employer page, keep some information. and I will do this EI employee ID and date. Click OK. Company name, address, city, state, zip, telephone, manager name, and also here I'll put a country, because if you have international business, it makes sense to identify your company by countries. And here number of employees. So let's go ahead and format this. This will be the date company was established, and everything looks good. Save and close. Now let's do same thing for employee that we will be hiring. Employee ID and employee ID. First name, something I would like to know. Last name, address, city, state, zip, telephone, social security number, hire dates, position, and pay rates. Okay, let's format this. We know this to be a date, social security number, should be a currency. Okay, save and close. Now let's create product and services page. Products plus services. I will make it a shortcut PNS, and I'll type date. Okay, name, description, cost, price, mark up, down, rates, and selling price. Now this is going to be lookup value, and I want to type products. Finish, and this we know is at state. Sorry guys, sorry about that. And this is going to be a currency, and there's going to be a number, going to be a percent number. It's going to be a symbol right here. It's going to have a 2 decimal places, and this field is going to be a calculated area. It's not going to allow us, so save this. Okay, bring it back to short, and let's insert another one, and let's make it a calculated field. Okay, let's delete this and delete this and save, close, and come back later. Let's get this straight, and let's get here calculated field, and now we have it. It wasn't saved, so it was acting up. So our selling price is going to be cost price times the markup rate plus the cost is right here. The selling price is equal to cost price times markup or down rate plus cost price. Simplify over here, click OK, and we type it here, selling price. Now save, and we got it. Now let's create a page for our customer, and I name here CIF. Client, customer file, customer information on file. Okay, and I'll say customer name, address, city, state, zip, city, state, zip, telephone, customer sense, credit limit, and notes. Let's format this some more. Here is going to be a date. Here is going to be a currency, and here is going to be a long text or short. A telephone, we go to the input marks and click this. Yes, you must first say yes. Thank you. Now we have a phone number here. Click finish. Got it. Yes, thank you. Now this is our customer information on file, and we got it. Now let's create our receipts. Receipts number, dates, products. I will name here item 1. Then I will item 1, quantity 1, and item 2. No, sorry, there should be a price over here. Price 1, quantity 2, price 2, subtotal, tax rate, and total. Now let's format this a little bit before we move on. Item is going to be a lookup from product table. And we want the name and item 2, same thing, both name and quantity is going to be a number, quantity is going to be a number, and the price currency going to be a currency. This is not going to be a calculated field. Going to be price 1 times quantity plus price 2 times quantity 2. It's not, so we're going to insert and name it ST for now, and the calculated field. Price 1 times quantity 1 plus price 2 times quantity 2. Now we have it. Then we can delete this one and name it subtotal. And this is going to be a number, a percent, and it's going to be a single number. It's going to have 2 decimal places. This is not also going to work, so let's do what we have done before. Now let's do this. Subtotal times tax rate plus subtotal. Delete this, type total, and let's do here cash. That'll be a calculated field. Going to be no, it's not a calculated field, it's a currency. change is going to be a calculator field. That's going to be cancel, delete, and save first. Yes, yes, yes. Close all. Yes, yes. And come back to receipt. Then let's go back to view button. Now we can add the change, calculated field, cash minus total. Type here change and save. Go back. Now it's in shape. Got it, guys. Now we have it needs to issue a receipt. Now let's type in if we have a product and I acquired today, and it's a Sony camera, and it's a camera, and I bought it $120, and I'm marking it up for 5%, and it's gonna cost 120. Also, how the service that I provide, and it's called accounting tutorials. And I charge $50 and mark it up 0. And I charge $50. So now let's close. Yes, save and close. Let's issue a receipt. Tutorials. One tutorial for $50. And okay, I'll save this out. Let's close and let's put in something here. Put here now and A. Okay, and save. Let's go back to our receipt. Over here, you see we don't have nothing. That's where we need the none for, and also um, so we charge the sales tax is 5%. We need here as a currency and need this to be 2 decimal places. Say, guys, and this person gave us $53. look at the change. We're gonna give it to 50 cents. And let's also issue another for our camera. I bought it. Somebody's buying 3 and it's 120. How much is it? The camera is 126. I bought it this price, mark it up and selling it for this price. Okay. Purchase price, markup rate, selling price. Okay. So I'm selling it for 126. 126, 26, and none for that. And since they are 3, it's 378. And my sales tax, don't forget my sales tax. And this person gave me $400. I owe him $3, $3.10. Now let's make this a form. Create, and you go hit the form. Boom, you are here. This is it, guys. Let's yes, receipt form. Receipt form. And now let's issue another product. And what for today? And it's vacuum cleaner, and it cost me $100, and I'm selling it for 5, and so the price is 105. Save, close, save, close. Now go in here, so you can see, go to the over here, new blank, and today's date. Choose from the drop down date. An item we have here, vacuum. Click it, and somebody I'm selling to, and the price 10. How much was it? 105. And since I'm selling to, price is 210. Tax rate of 5 cents, and the person gave me $300, and I owe him back. So this is how to create receipt form, and you can print this and give it to your customer. Now let's create a report of all this of all this receipt. I'll just go by total, subtotal, tax rate, and click finish. And we are almost there. Clean this up a little bit, okay? let's go here and see something very quick. Subtotal here also can be currency. Close or yes. Let's go back here and fix something. Here should be a currency, not a single. And the format should be a currency and 2 decimal place is fine. Two decimal place is fine. Let's save this. Let's see our reports. Now we have that it takes, guys. Let's issue another report and see if we're gonna have it is going to show up on our report. Go new today and item tutorials for $50. That's why I'm gonna try charge 5% and one quantity. Person give me $60 or $87.50. Save, and now we have it right here showing on my receipts. Guys, it's showing, guys. See, it's all my change. This is my cash. No, something is okay. It's right. This all the money that I have had for today. And let's see. It seems ah let's yes close close. Yeah, everything is fine, guys. Oh, it seems there is something wrong over here. Let's see if we can fix it over here. Yeah, I have fixed it, guys, and it's not working. So I'm gonna, yes, and open this form again, and as you can see, it's showing. Person bought stuff for 105, and he handed me a cash of 105. Therefore, I have no change to give him. Over here, this is the total. Gave me $400, and this is the change. This is the total he gave me, so he owes me back $30, and he gave the 10 cost 52.50, gave me $60, and this is the change. Um, so guys, this is how you make receipt using Microsoft Access. And if you have any questions, don't bother to ask me down there below on YouTube, and I'll be happy to answer you. Now, you see the receipt number. Let's see if how we're going to change this number. Let's go to receipt table, go to the view, yes, and over here the order number, go to the format, and this is what we're going to type in. I'm typing it here on the sticky note. This 00, this and that. This is what I'm going to type in here in the format. Guys, this now works out. Close and open again. And receipt here, and typing in the numbers is going to change. This is what I type in, guys. A quote, open quotation 100, close quotation 0. Then you save, then you go to the home. Now the invoice number has changed to 100, 1001, 1002, 1003. Let's close and see it from our report. The report didn't change, but it still works, guys. And let's create. This is how you can search do some query search. Maybe I want today's invoice or today's receipt. I can go in here and do some sorting this year, past, future, and you can January. I don't have nothing for January. I have something for today, and here I am, and over here, this is here. You can do some analytics quite easy. This is before taxes and after taxes. Okay, before taxes and after taxes. So you can just do some quite cool stuff with this, and you can use the table right here or use a form. It doesn't matter which one. You go on blank page, and my interactive page is ready for input. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up next time you meet. Have a good day.